it's Jennifer from the Jen Spice channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing. It's a big one. It's on the ground, and I will move you in to get a closer look as soon as I wield these very, very sharp paper scissors. Yeah, I won't make me open because it's always a scary prospect. All right, let's put you down there. Right. Okay. See what we got. Still need those. Still need those. Don't need to see my bocce balls and my other stuff though. Oh, I opened it upside down, it looks like. So, first container. Talc. Second container. Talc. Wow, I bought a lot of talc. Third container. Talc, apparently. I'm making something with talc. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, I know what this is for. I didn't know I bought such a big one, though. This, and this is an essential oil. Man, they wrap these tight. Let's get in here. Because fun essential oils, people. And not little tiny bottles of essential oils, nice big ones. I love these. You need to transfer them into glass amber bottles quickly if you want them to last longer. Don't store your stuff in here. This is called orange wax. How cool is that? And it's apparently liquid. All right, what else have we got here? Oh, good. Grapefruit, finally. I have been dying for grapefruit, and I'm actually going to open this one up and smell it with you. Let me get you down here with you. Now, I am in a cramped room with about 20 boxes of bee equipment stuff because, you know, we're in April now. We're nearing spring, so we're cleaning everything up. And my living room really needs to get rid of its Christmas tree. All right, let's see what this grapefruit is like. Man, these really don't fit my fingers. They're stuck there forever now. Gosh, they're actually kind of... Ow. Okay. Ow. Ow, ow. Let's see if I can get this open. Oop. I can do dangerous things with paper scissors. I probably need like a sharp pair of scissors because these dull ones I've read can hurt you. Okay. It smells wonderful. I haven't made a grapefruit soap in so long. I may even anchor it. It smells a lot like orange. It's not very bitter. It's a very sweet grapefruit, which is nice. Let's see what I can anchor it with to make an amazing soap that has staying power. Staying power. Castor oil. Carrier oil. I don't know why I bought more of this because I have a ton of it. I have like a gallon. Aha, maybe I just wanted some fresh because these are castor vegetable wax. And we're going to try to make a alternative to Vaseline with this. I'm making some hydrogenated castor as well. This is one way. Take the castor wax and mix it with the castor oil to create something wonderful. And I'm going to try to use it in other oils too to see what we get. I don't know. We'll see. It's supposed to be Vaseline-like, I read somewhere on the net, on the interweb. Okay. This is Absinian Carrier Oil. I don't remember why I bought this. Let's see what it smells like. I want to smell it. It doesn't have a scent. I'm going to be surprised. It has no scent. Actually, it kind of has a nutty aroma. We'll see. Absinian oil. Now, as I show you these things, I will put a little description in there so you can see what they're for, because when I'm looking at stuff, I'm just too excited to really, you know, remember what it is I bought it for. Lots and lots of castor flakes. Black castor wax. I might try that in some other things as well. And that's everything. So essential oils and talc. I don't know why I bought so much talc. Oh, yeah. You'll have to wait for that one. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and we'll catch you next time. Please click like and subscribe, and come on back to my soapy living room anytime at all. Bye for now.